Good morning, you lucky people. And yes, you are lucky. We are lucky because we are on the verge of a revolution, an evolution that will transform society just like the internet has transformed a society since the 90s. This is the revolution, evolution of money, currency. So I'm your host, Patrick Bryan of Bryan's Bitcoin Bites, where I will be giving you bites of information on Bitcoin. It's for newbies, it's for new people entering into the space. So I will keep it very simple and very basic for everyone because I'm a basic and simple guy. Anyway, to move on, let's start with one of the first questions most people are asking is, what is Bitcoin? What is it used for? Why do we need it? Well, there are three questions, and they're all relative to this. I find the easiest way to explain Bitcoin to a new person is a currency. Think about that for a moment. What is a currency? A currency is issued by central banks to the individual countries around the world, about 193 at the moment. And this currency is used to buy and sell things within the economy of that currency. If it's the dollar, it's a global. So you go to work and you give your time to your employer. She gives you currency. You then use this currency to pay for your groceries, for your rent, for your kids' education, for your clothes. So that's what a currency is. It's effectively you giving your time, your energy, which gets turned into a tangible thing, which is notes and coined. That effectively is how you get currency, unless you steal it, but don't be doing that. There are many drawbacks to using traditional currencies. The main one is it's centrally controlled, and it's controlled by your bank and the central banking system. They decide on the issuance of it, how much will go into the economy. They decide on the interest rates accrued by owning it, either in deposits or using it via credit cards. They also charge you huge fees. We can get into that later. The fees involved in the central banking system imposed on us, the citizens, are ginormous. We're talking billions and billions a year, especially aimed at poor people. So, Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is another currency, except this currency is a global currency. So it doesn't matter how old you are, your financial situation, your geographic location. Bitcoin is for everybody to interact between each other, sending value over the internet in a safe and secure way. This is what Satoshi Nakamoto invented in 2008 when he wrote the white paper on blockchain. So the currency is available to anyone, anywhere in the world, very simply by downloading a wallet. So you have a wallet to hold your regular currency and you have a wallet to hold your Bitcoin. The wallet is is owned by you and nobody else. There is no third party involved. There is no bank involved in your wallet. And your wallet is a bank account. It's where you hold your Bitcoin. It's where you spend your Bitcoin. And nobody can tell you how to use it, how much you can send, when you can send, to whom you can send and receive. So this makes it pretty unique. You'd have to agree. So there you have it. Bitcoin is just another currency, except it's a global currency for everyone. I hope you like this Bitcoin Bite. I'll be giving you more as we go on, and I hope you have a nice day.